All right, guys, we're up approaching the Halloween season, which is my favorite. So I found some old pots at like a giveaway garage sale, but I didn't have to buy them. And I wanted to revamp them and create a new art piece or centerpiece for our outdoor table. So I went to Dollar Tree and got these little stucco items and had my husband to spray paint the inside of the pot and those items black. And then I hit it with my glue gun so everything can kind of stick together inside of there. Put my outdoor beads inside. Had my husband to spray paint it. And I got these pretty death themed, Halloween themed flowers. And this, of course, this beautiful pumpkin man that actually could sit on it. So I used my hot glue gun to get him to sit down and glue him down. And also, I went on ahead and created some fake spider webs with my hot glue gun. And after that was done, I realized that this probably is the most cheap and efficient, budget saving Halloween centerpiece decoration that you can ever get. You're welcome.